Video, I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. I'll show you how to use filters in Make. Filters let you control exactly when data is allowed to pass from one module to the next, so your automations stay clean, targeted, and efficient. Think of them as traffic lights in your scenario. Only items that meet your rule get the green light. First, open Make and click Create a new scenario. This gives you a blank canvas to build on. You'll see a big plus icon in the center. Click the plus and add your first module. Choose a module that makes sense as your starting point, maybe an email trigger, a form submission, or any app that produces the data you want to evaluate. Next, click the plus again to add the next module. This is the action you want to perform only when certain conditions are met, like creating a record, sending a notification, or updating a spreadsheet. Once both modules are placed, you'll notice a line connecting them. That line is where the filter lives. Click the line between the modules, then choose Set up a filter. A panel opens on the right. Here's how to fill it out. For the label, type a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize this rule later. Something like, only inquiries. Leave fallback set to number. That means if the condition isn't met, the data won't move forward on this path, which is usually what you want for a single route. Now, create your condition. This is the rule that decides what gets through. For example, you could set subject contains inquiry. You can pick the field you want to check, choose the operator, and then enter the value you care about. This makes sure only items that match your rule proceed to the next module. When you're done, click Save at the top right of the filter panel to confirm your settings. Then click Save again to save the entire scenario. Saving both ensures your filter and your scenario are locked in. To test everything, click Run once. Trigger some sample data, or let the scenario receive the next real item. Watch the run details. If the condition matches, the flow continues to your second module. If not, it will be filtered out. If you're not getting the result you expect, return to the filter, refine the condition, and save again. And that's it. You've added a precise filter to control your scenario's flow in Make, keeping your automation focused and reliable.